Last question na lang, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Philippine Startup Week so far is, okay. Madami naman na kanila nakaisa.
Opo.
Merong mga lumalapit na mga, investors.
Oh!
It's, pretty good. So, yeah, happy with, cost people to our, family.
And yun, so, I'm a fan of ChatGenie and more power, more power. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you sa mga nakinig sa live na yun. Salamat. Anyway, last question, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far? Ako personally, I'm very happy na nakikita itong mga startup na 'to dito and kumbaga celebration din siya, eh, somehow, eh. So, for you, kamusta?
For me, sobrang in awe ako na ang dami ng startups ngayon, iba-ibang industries, iba-ibang personalities. Ang galing. It's very, very encouraging to see na, the startup ecosystem is alive and well in the Philippines. It's not as big as the other countries, but we'll get there. Ang daming mga nami-meet na tao for networking and nagtutulungan yung mga startups and it's something very exciting. The future holds a lot of promises and
Yeah,
very exciting for that one.
let's go Philippines.
Let's go,
Ayun.
startup.
Thank you din. Let's go Kasam siyempre. And
Thank you so much.
thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Ingat.
And thank you.
Peace. Kasambahay.
Ayun, and pinaka-last, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far? Kamusta ang Startup Expo?
Daming naubos ko agad yung flyers ko. Kinulang ako sa
Yung flyers.
kinulang ako sa flyers ko.
Baka mabenta.
So, hopefully ma-convert yung pagkaubos ng flyers sa actual na sales, no?
Puwede yan, puwede yan. And ayun, thank you so much, thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
thank you. And
Yun.
by the way, kamusta pala ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Yeah. So actually, na-miss namin yung day 1 and day
It's okay,
2. But
yeah.
so far for day 3, even though na ito pala yung na-attendan namin, very great. Marami kaming na-connect and hopefully after this event we'll be able to make fruitful collaborations and partnerships with the people that we meet here. Yeah.
And I hope we
And
can have a
yeah,
podcast na mas
yeah.
mahaba kaysa mga 30 to 40 minutes next
Yeah,
time.
sure.
Ayun, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And ayun, salamat.
Bye-bye.
Ayun, final question, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week?
Yes, maganda and a lot of people na meron kaming chance to get to know it. And nakakatuwa kasi when they come here, very interested sila and it's very easy for them to approach. Mababait yung mga nandito. And the organization is so good, lamig, and maayos.
Actually natuwa ako, kasi ngayon lang ulit ng-physical expo ang Philippine Startup Week kasi nagka-pandemic, so sa online. Pero now it's actually very vibrant ang aura dito, 'no, na true mababait din yung mga tao dito, organizers, founders, parang yun din yung character ng Philippine Startup ecosystem.
Yeah, and it's a great opportunity for the startup businesses talaga para ma-expose sa ganitong mga business. And we're very lucky to have the opportunity to expose Perket, to present what Perket is.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayun, salamat. So much. And by the way, kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week?
Yes, I'm really enjoying it. Really great portfolio of startups here with the government. Thank you so much for having us. By the way, I really appreciate the government support. No, we really appreciate the visibility, and we see the efforts of the Philippine government.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Sa
you.
mga nanonood. Ayun. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Ayun, thank you so much. Thank you. By the way, may isa palang question, sorry. Kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Ay, grabe ang ganda. I'm not over-exaggerating, pero natutuwa ako dito kasi parang you get to meet a lot of people na parang same wavelength na same sa inyo, same baga sa yung term nga namin, mga baliw yung mga tao dito. Kasi they have this mind na parang hindi mo maiintindihan na parang, ay, oo nga no, hindi ko naisip yun, kind of thing. Parang ganon. Ayun. That's why I love this,
Yeah, that's the startup ecosystem.
yeah.
And thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir Johnny.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayun, sir. And last question na lang. Kamusta ang Philippine Startup Week so far?
Well, so far, Philippine startup is just we start pa lang and we're not really that mature pagdating compare sa other ASEAN labor natin. But the good thing is, I think we're on track. Okay, the government, the private sector are all working together to help the startup industry that we are on it right now.
Yes, and
Yeah.
sama-sama nga naman ang mga startups din sa pagtulong umangat ng buong startup ecosystem. Sabi nga dito sa ating poster, sticker, pakita natin, Startup Week, isa para sa bayan, igniting Filipino innovation.
Actually, ang ganda nga ng tema na ginawa nila is a innovative startup act.
Yun pala yun. Gets na gets.
Bayan.
Oh!
Isa Republic Act
Yes,
11337
Yes,
na
yes.
tonight.
Yes, that's
Philippine Innovative Startup.
yes. And yun actually yung nag-ignite na, especially with the help of the three big offices, no, sila DICT, DTI, DOST, to really boost the startup community and ecosystem here in the Philippines. So,
Correct.
ayun, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Janet, for the opportunity. Okay.
And thank you.